But even just not seeing the brick.
Yeah, oh yeah, I had this. That was a nice one, that really was. I mean, even if a bloke's going to buy it, even if a bloke's going to just buy the place to renovate it or something, he still doesn't want to walk in and see that.
No.
He'll say, oh, this is too bad, you know.
Oh, you'll turn 90% of people away.
That's right.
Hey? You will be.
Yeah, well, you will be.
Yeah, you too. I haven't got a picture there. Yeah. Yeah, I will. Should be a little project.
You film every job, or you just...
Oh, well,
Just this one because it's so bad.
well, no, most of them. Yeah, but then I can choose what I do. I don't have to do more. Just a modern thing to do, I think, that's all. And you got a record of it. You can remember them too, because if I look back 10 years.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Say, oh, I did that. I remember doing that.
Yeah, I would have liked having one.
That was a big job I did, or whatever.
Yeah, when I was in my 20s, you know, 30s.
When it's all done and dried and ready for painting, well, I'll still have to sand right the edges, won't I think, or whatever.
Oh, maybe not.
No?
Maybe not. I might just give it a light sand anyway. But you only want a presentable job, don't you?
Sorry?
You're only looking for a presentable job, aren't you?
Oh yeah, but I don't want to be able to be spotted too easy.
No. No. Wait till I finish, have a look at them, you know?
Yeah, that's fine.
That'll be the way to do it. See what you reckon.
No, I'm just saying, what's the normal procedure?
No,
I'd rather not have to bloody sand at all. I've got to sand. That just takes forever.
Yeah. Bit of music next door, I think.
There's 5 kids next door. They're going up the story.
Are they?
Yeah. The boys are renovating now.
Yeah. That's going to cost a few bob, isn't it? Yeah.
Well, they're going up the story and they're completely gutting the house. Oh, you got a viewfinder in there, you can see what you're doing.
On the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you have a look in the back. What it's doing.
Ah, there you go.
Yeah. Good.
I better cut up the sands off.
That's okay, you may as well be a star. Okay, look up the top here. It's only a touch up because it has been sold later. Make it presentable. I'm not going too far with these cracks. Normally you'd pull sort of big areas off the walls. That's the story.
Too shy to talk on that camera, yeah. Yeah. Hey. Not going to be a star, are you?
Yes. Used to be more hot out summers, didn't it?
When I was a kid, they did. No way.
Yeah. And the winters were cold too, weren't they?
I remember going to work and have to put water on the windscreen to get the ice off.
That's right.
Doesn't happen anymore. Hasn't happened for years.
And sometimes the taps would be frozen.
Yep.
The puddles of water frozen in the gutter.
Yeah. Colder winters and hotter summers.
Huh?
Colder winters and hotter summers.
Yeah, that's about it, wasn't it, really? We used to have a big rainstorms around Christmas time, just when you're going on Christmas holiday.
Everybody down at Rosebud used to get flooded.
And I reckon, wouldn't it? Huh?
Everybody down at Rosebud used to get flooded.
They kept going though, didn't they? They wouldn't miss out, would they?
No.
They still doing that in those caravan parks down in the old timers?
Yep.
They can, aren't they?
You're determined to get me on this Bollywood, aren't you?
On the Bollywood, yeah. A little bit of Bollywood in all of it, isn't it? Everybody's got a little bit of Bollywood in them.
More for the camera.
That doesn't really, I'm sorry, used to working with it now. Doesn't really worry me too much. Quite often I got to talk softly because just the owners, you don't want to sort of make it sound like you're on a film set there. Too much. Something like that. Well, no one hardly minds. Okay. Alright, I'm going to go back and have a look and swing over the doorway. I don't want to start sanding.
No.
Yeah, quite often the nights finish pretty late. The accommodation and that. Quite often they finish pretty late, the nights.
Who finishes late?
I do.
Oh, you do?
Doing accommodation.
Oh, yeah.
It's sort of late, so quite often.
Well, yeah. What do you have to look after them, do you? Or what?
Oh, you've got to be there. You're not there, mate. Yeah. You don't know what's going on.
Oh, how many you got in the house?
14.
14?
Yeah. Alright, that's pretty well ready to scrape back there. The camera action shot.
Must have a good battery in it because...
Oh, just Duracell. They do run out, yeah.
I always find with my camera that's the problem with the battery.
Oh, yeah. There's 4 of them.
Oh, 4?
How many you got in yours?
Only 2.
Oh, yeah, 4 mate. Look, it's a good, cheap, simple little camera. Huh? Fuji.
Oh, that's my nephew. I went on holidays with my nephew, and he got a beauty fine mix. Oh, mate, it took fantastic photos. He did camera beauty.
Isn't that a fine fix? What's that?
Yeah, it probably is.
Yeah. Yeah, I like the Fuji. It's pretty simple to use too. Part of my toolbox. Now, as you can see, it's all covered in plaster, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes, I wouldn't know how you'd upload it onto YouTube. I don't know.
Nah, I don't do it wrong yet. Well, don't worry, I've got enough to do doing the plastering and so on.
I'm sure it's not hard.
It all takes time. That's what the story is. Everything takes time.
So what the first bit, you leave it and you let it like harden up a bit, and then you come back on it.
Yeah, come back on. Scrape it back, trowel it up. Keep on getting into shape, you know.
Yeah. Oh, I can hear the music you're talking about.
No?
Oh, did you shut this window down, did you?
Yeah, I just didn't want the music coming in.
Oh, okay.
Because then it's not original content what they pick up on YouTube.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Copyright, yeah. So better, it's all your own content. If you want to sing, it's okay.
Ah, gee.
Yeah.
Gee, that's strict, are they?
Yeah. Copyright.
Yeah, well, what difference will that?
Nah.
Even if it's playing back. Oh, I suppose it's advertising, free advertising for whoever's playing.
Oh no, copyright.
Yeah.
There you go. You break the copyright by using someone else's. No, put it. Yeah, especially in America. That's sort of thing. You would never pick that up while I shut the window, would you?
No, I thought you want to break it. What are you doing?
Yeah, what are you doing? Here we have a bit of calcimine, a bit of acrylic paint, calcimine underneath, and it gets moisture in there, but calcimine goes back to liquid, and then that top layer of paint can come off. So just scrape off a bit, and give it a quick touch up. It's good to use a sealer on calcimine, not that there's many walls seal calcimine these days. Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, so I'll make you about that.
Yeah.
Going when it's blowing a gale.
No, I wouldn't be going in it, would you?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah?
Blowing a gale.
Yeah. Okay, mate. Maybe the old Elwood boys go in it?
No.
Eh?
No. None of them are around.
Yeah. Yeah, I might move up the bush later.
Sorry?
I might go up the bush later myself.
Yeah, where would you like to go?
Probably Milan. That's when I found
The land?
Yeah.
I had a mate who had a farmer property up there.
Yeah? You know, remember his name?
Sam Asiac.
Right?
Sam Asiac.
Asia. Asia.
Asiac.
Asia. I haven't heard that one, no.
I think he had about 80 acres up there. He had a pretty big property up there.
Okay. It's not a bad spot.
He was a good mate of mine. I worked for him at ICI for years.
Oh.
Poor bugger, he died. He died of a heart attack.
Very good.
Died quite a few years ago. He was always overweight.
Ah.
A big bloke, and he just couldn't.
Couldn't get her down.
He couldn't get his weight down.
Brian, that's where you want to go.
Yeah.
Okay, one thing, mate, don't leave it too long.
Yeah. Oh, but it won't be to live there permanently.
Oh, no, I just want to get it proper out there.
I'll have a place there, but I'll also have a place in Melbourne, right? A room anyway in Melbourne.
What, would you buy some acres or what?
Oh no, family house is still there.
Oh, is it?
I have to buy that, yeah. It's in the township, you know. Had it since maybe, I don't know, 1917 or somewhere in before 1920. But it's about an acre of land, so
Oh, yeah.
just you need it's good to have a bit of space, I reckon, you know.
Oh, it is, yeah. Yeah, I can leave the flat.
Nah.
I'll go there. And yet there's more flats in Elwood than there anywhere in Melbourne.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
They're everywhere.
Big area for flats, isn't it?
Never know, I might do a tax lotto tomorrow night. I might pick the one.
Wow.
Buy another joint up there. I'd love to do that. We've got the money to do it. Oh well.
I'll probably be renting it out now if I was you. You'll probably get reasonable rent, wouldn't you?
What's the point about what am I going to do up there?
Rent.
Am I going to buy, rent here and rent up there?
Yeah.
What's the point of that?
No, you get rent and you pay rent. You never, but you still get the capital appreciation of this in the future.
Yeah.
So it's a big advantage, you know? Yeah. So if you sell this, what the money, what are you going to do? You'll probably depreciate.
I'll be able to get all this out of this carpet rubbed, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, I see your argument. Yeah, it's not a bad idea.
Rub it on. Never so, mate. Maintain it, print it, and that's it, mate. Just pack off with your back knapsack and you're free.
Yeah, unfortunately, I would probably do that if I owned it outright, but I don't.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Well, what I'd do if I won Pass Lotto, I know what I'd do straight away. I'd buy my sister out.
There you go.
And then that'd be some fun. Then I'd be thinking along your lines.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll take a photo of this tonight.
Good.
And send it to me brother-in-law.
One down, four to five to go, isn't it? It may not be completely down tonight, this room. There's a good crack there, won't it?
Yeah. What they've done with a couple of houses around here, what they do is they underpin, they get a thing, it's called a screw pipe. I don't know whether you've heard of it. And it's a thing.
Screw pylon?
Yeah. It's about that diameter, so it's a giant screw.
Yeah.
And they go down 21 feet down into the ground.
Yeah.
And then, because it's just a giant screw like that,
Yeah.
they pour cement in it. The cement goes down the screw,
Ah.
and it just it makes. Oh, be careful on that, mate. That's,
Alright.
yeah, don't put your full weight up.
No way.
And it just forms like a giant pylon. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Nice.
But they go down 21 feet, and I was talking to a guy that was doing it.
Yeah.
I said, what do you get down to bedrock down there or something? He said, oh no, there's no bedrock around here. This is all sandy soil and that.
Yeah.
But he said at 21 feet down, he said the sand is compacted over the millions of years that hard.
Yeah.
He said it's like granite.
Yeah.
You know, it's been compacted for. He said it might as well be bedrock, but it's just highly compacted sand. He said it's just like granite. It's really hard.
Interesting job, isn't it?
Yeah. So.
Well, it's notorious down there, Elwood.
Yeah, the bloke on the road, the builder, you know what he said to me one day? We talked about this. He said, there's two types of soil in the universe. There's the rest of the world and Elwood.
Yeah. Yeah, we've got a big name for soil Elwood. Everyone knows about almost.
Do they?
Firm up. Then there's Elwood.
Yeah. The rest of the world and then there's Elwood.
Puts it nicely, doesn't it?
Not far at all.
Yeah. But this has held up okay?
Yes, not bad. I mean, I remember when I was a kid, my little man was patching all the bloody time.
Yeah.
But what really set it off was we had that 7-year drought, Well,
yeah.
it ended last year, but
Yeah.
we had 7 years of drought, and that's when it all went crazy.
Oh, yeah. Pretty bad, wasn't it?
Oh, mate. I don't even remember, it just every day it just never rained. You'd get clouds come over and it just wouldn't rain. That was when they were stopping the people playing footy because the grounds were too hard.
Pretty grim, wasn't it? Really?
Oh, it was very good.
Well, we thought it was permanent though, why did it?
That's what a lot of people thought. I never did.
No. We thought that, oh, it's changed. But no.
Apparently in
Come back, didn't it?
1938 or something, I was reading something. There was a much worse drought.
Was there?
We had, yep.
Hmm.
They showed a photo in 1938 of people walking along the Murray.
Yeah?
No water, just walking along.
Gee.
Yeah, they reckon it's far worse. So.
No, didn't it?
We got short memories, you see.
Well, I wasn't alive then, mate.
No, but
Nor were you.
no. Yeah, careful with that. I think I've got my computer in there.
Computer?
I think so.
There you go, mate. All in one place. Computer in there.
That's my hiding spot.
Yeah. I'm going to pick that, mate.
That's why I use it.
Well, I got the BB key, but I wouldn't get that.
Nah,
Wouldn't get that one.
about the only thing I got with this pension, so that's why I like it.
What's that, mate?
Well, it cost me 600.
Well, if it's reasonable, if it's a, you just get it, did you?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's only $60.
Hey?
Yeah, it's a bit. Oh, hang on.
Okay. You got a little spot up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, mate loves these jobs. His favourite.
Is it?
Yeah.
Your mate, your partner?
Doing it. Yeah.
Renovations.
Yeah. Be good before and after this one, huh?
Yeah.
I reckon.
Well, you have to come back when I finish painting.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thanks, mate. You can be painting while I'm still here.
Well, yeah, well, we might be doing that. Well, I'll go on Monday.
Yeah.
I'll go and see what I can do on Monday.
Right.
I've just got to try and work out how much paint I've got to get.
Just get British paint. Just get something cheap.
Yeah, but they've got to be colour matched. Well, they colour match any brand, do they?
Yeah.
You reckon British paints?
That's right, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, pretty. You like it?
Yeah. I got it in the back of the car, actually.
You done a bit of painting? You time?
Yeah.
And you reckon British paint's the way to go? You know, I could nearly get you to do me a big favour.
Yeah, get a colour match for you.
No, yeah, because I can't get those Bunnings.
Yeah.
And I know Bunnings is probably cheaper than anywhere else.
Yeah. I can do that for you.
If you do that, that'd be terrific, because as I say, I can't get there.
No. A bit of sand in this, huh? Make it a bit stronger. Just get a